everyone, my name is Lohitaksh. From today onwards, I'm going to start making scratch videos. To do scratch, you don't need any application. Internet connection is enough. If you have internet connection, go to Google browser. Then in the search Google or type a URL bar, you need to type scratch and you'll get all this. There are scratch images program share. If you click on this, then you'll get this website, scratch website. If you want to know more about scratch, you can go to this about. You can click on this about, and it says here Scratch is the world's largest coding community for children and a coding language with simple visual interface that allows young people to create digital stories, games and animations. Scratch is designed, developed and modified by the Scratch Foundation, a non-profit organization. If you want to start creating, you can click on this word that says create. Here you have all of the scratch blocks and everything else. Here you can see a video on how to use Scratch. So first we'll start with these two things. This cat has a picture here, and under that it says sprite 1. That sprites are here. Click on choose a sprite and you can design, you can make a sprite, you can choose a sprite. This can be a surprise sprite or you can upload a sprite. I'm going to choose a sprite, and here are all the sprites you can choose. And there are also different places for different sprites. Here we are in all, so we'll get everything. But if you want animals, you go to here, people here, and everything else there. So first we'll start with the motion blocks. Motion blocks are the first blocks that anyone uses in Scratch. Here we have move 10 steps. If we click on this, it will move 10 steps. But there's also another thing. If you want to make it more steps, then you can just make that number different. Then it will move that many steps. Next we have the turn 15 degrees. So you see this arrow, it will turn this way. If I click on this, then it will turn like that. But as the move block, you can also change this number to 40. Then it will move in 40 degrees. Next we have the same block but in the reverse way. After that we have go to random position. But we also have mouse pointer option here. So if you click this, it will go to a random position. But if you do mouse pointer, then it will go to mouse pointer wherever it is. And next we have this. Go to X dash and Y dash. Now there are numbers here, but if wherever your sprite is, these will change, because here X is this way and that way, Y is up and down. So if we do this, it will go to that position only. Now we also have another one. Glide 1 second to random position. Now this is easy to do. Here it will go to a random position every 1 frame. But if you do it mouse pointer, like go to random position, then you will be able to make this thing glide to the mouse pointer. We're only going to do up to this block in this video. So here we have glide 1 second to these positions. As I told before, it will glide to these positions. It won't glide to a random position or your mouse pointer. It will go right here to there. If you don't want to make this, then you can change this Y and X. Next, we have point in direction 90. You can change this like point in direction 180, or if you want straight, it will be 90. And this is the final block we're going to cover today. But there are some other things like this, customs. But that's for looks, and sounds are for sound. Easy. Point towards mouse pointer means it will point to your mouse pointer. Now you only have mouse pointer option. So those are all the blocks we are going to cover today. But I did say I was going to do customize and sound, but I won't. But I did say it was going to be up to here, but I do want to do these blocks, so let's do it fast. Change X by 10, we'll change it by 10. And change X by 47, set to 47. Then there's change Y by 10. There'll be set Y to 101, that means 101. And there's if on edge bounce. If it goes too close to the edge, when you move 10 steps, it'll go and bounce off the edge. If you keep pressing this, then if it hits an edge, it will bounce. So that's all the blocks there are, but there is one more block. Set rotation style left right. Don't rotate all around. There are these options for if on edge bounce, so it will turn from left to right as you saw, and if you said don't rotate, it won't rotate at all. If you do all around, well, I never tried that option, so let's see what happens. If I just set this to 30 and 20, then set this here, and define as bounce here, what will happen? Please. Well, that was surprising. It just turns all around. Okay, that's all there is here. But if you go 2 down, you'll go into the looks category. But we're not going to get that today. So that's all the motion blocks in Scratch. But I did forget to mention the backdrops. There are different backdrops. And just like the sprites, there are special places for special backdrops. I mean, the backdrops that go there. If you go indoors, you'll get your bedroom and everything else. Outdoors, these things. Patterns like that. And underwater, 2 things, space, there are these. So, thank you for watching this video.